Hey folks, Allure magazine said, "Truth be told, I sincerely did not think anything could surpass the internet's obsession with popping videos. Until, that is, I came across the latest stomach-churning trend to sweep the web. Tonsil stone removal videos." What's worse is the fact that tonsil stones, as you might imagine, smell pretty horrendous, especially if they're on the larger side, as they can cause bad breath and sore throats. But nevertheless, people seem to love them. In fact, and no huge surprise here, there's an entire Reddit community aptly named r tonsil stones that is dedicated to tonsil stone removal content. It strikes us as funny, as Allure recently posted articles online featuring videos from our channels. Who knew? We're kinda famous. If you have tonsil stones, let's take a look at some tonsil stone removal tools. We'll put a link to our favorite below. It comes with a dental syringe, which is amazing for washing out stones. Hey folks, take a look at this lighted pick. It's a great tool for removing tonsil stones, which are smelly, calcified chunks of bacteria, mucus, and dead cells lodged in the tonsils. The rounded shape is great for gently removing stones on your own, and the light lets you see what you're doing. These picks are a great addition to your medicine cabinet. So check out the Amazon link below to get one for yourself. Thanks for watching.